Hey, are you still here? What are you waiting for? I'm going to show you how to get on this platform. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First, we're going to log on to dsdt.edu, and then you can follow me along, okay? Let's go. So first things first, you're going to go to the dsdt.edu. This is our website. If you have not been on it before, which you should have been on it before. So you're going to go to resources, click on Resume Builder. It's going to bring you to this screen. Now, once you get to the screen, you can either do single sign-on if you're logged in as a DSDT student with your DSDT email, or we go up here and we can log in and put all your information into it. All right, first thing you're going to notice is a pop-up window that kind of gives you an explanation of the site, right? So it's going to welcome you and it's going to take you through several different steps of the site. Build your profile, get AI help, submit for review, and then you're ready to get started. Just those quick and simple, easy steps will get you right to where you need to be, okay? So first thing you're going to see is you're going to see this page, which is not what everyone else is going to see. This is your back end. So this is not what the employer sees, but what you see while you're building your resume. My recommendation is go to the resume builder, the guided resume builder, and allow AI to help you build your resume. Now you'll notice as you're putting in information and going through this, you'll see all that information start to populate in this area over here, which is your resume. All right. You can click on some of this stuff up here. It'll populate for you. You can go to next, and then it'll give you some recommendations of skills that you should attach to that job or to your resume. So you can go over here and click on some of those things. They'll populate just like these populated over here. Go to next. This is going to be your header, your summary about yourself on your resume. So all of that stuff will populate right over here in the resume section as well. Now this section is just for you to add extra pieces. So if you speak a different language other than English, definitely want to get that in there, and it'll add a language section for you. If it's certifications that you need, which all of you have certifications, everyone who's going through this program has some type of cert, make sure you add all those certifications on there as well. On this side, you have your interests, websites, portfolio profiles, affiliations, resources. So I would say the most important one on this side would be your website, portfolio, and your different profiles that you have on other social media or anywhere else that you would like an employer to see. And then it'll bring you to the final part, which is choosing your template. So whatever template you think works best for you, you can go on here. All our templates are free, and you'll just click on one and it'll arrange your resume as such. Now, let's get over to the advanced editor. Your advanced editor is basically your profile. So this is the stuff that an employer is going to see on their side once they click on your picture. Okay, so this is where that picture will be. This is where all your basic information will be, what program you were in, professional headline, and all sorts of things like that. Now, over here, this will tell you where you are in the process. Have you filled out 100% of what you were supposed to fill out? If you're still down at 40%, 50%, all these will start to populate as you go along and fill in this information. Then we're going to go to your summary and objective. So you're going to give us a quick summary and objective. Same thing, kind of like what you did on your resume. Okay. Same thing here, skills. So you want to put those skills, same skills that you put in on your resume. This is what an employer is going to see before they ask for your actual resume. Here in the media section, this is where that video is going to go. So when you're ready to make a video, you want to reach out to Marco in our marketing department. He'll set an appointment with you and he will help you film that and get that on your profile. Another really important step, once you fill out all this information, you want to go up here to submit for review. Once you click submit for review, we'll get a message here on our side and we'll go ahead and publish your actual profile. And once we publish your profile, this is actually what they will see as an employer. So these are some of our students who've already published their profiles and are actually getting responses from employers already. So this is kind of what they'll see. Everything that I was telling them to put into your resume, if they wanted to request an interview or request a resume, they'll click here. And then on your end, you'll be able to see that message here in messages, or you'll see them request an interview with a date, or you'll see that opportunity. All right, so we went through it step by step. You kind of got a chance to see everything on the platform and how that works. What are you waiting for? Sign up right now.